Hi everyone, this is Avi Arya here, and today I'm going to teach you how to go live to be able to build a community and get clients. Yes. So in today's video, let me get this book out of the way. I like to show off the book I did with my kids. In today's video, we're going to talk about how important it is to go live. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine if I told you that I'll get you a show on CNBC, or I'll get you a show on Star Television, or evening show 9:30, or prime time 8 o'clock. You would jump at the opportunity because it would be you talking to thousands of people across the world, and your brand gets noticed, right? That was TV. Today, we all have a TV in our hands, and it's called the cell phone. And guess what? All the channels today, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of them have a live feature, which means you just click record and go live, and you're able to connect with people in real time. Human beings crave that real time connection. They don't want to watch recorded things anymore. We all have recorded stuff happening. It doesn't feel real. But the one thing that I like to tell you before you go live is to announce it on your Facebook community, announce it on your LinkedIn community, send an email out, create a WhatsApp message, create an image, tell people this is the time I'm coming live, and then number 2, brand your show. I call it the Ask Avi Arya show, 7 to 8 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Thursdays. You could say the John Kristolsa show on wine, or the Meera Nair show on how to write books with your kids, or you could say the health and fitness diet with Nikhil Tyagi. Whoever you are, you can build your own live course, channel, brand it, and own it. Put a flag in the ground. 7 to 8 is my time. I come in every day. 4 to 5 is this guy's time. You know what? As the internet is evolving, your audience will start recognizing. In India, Kapil Sharma, 8 o'clock colors. So you know there's one channel, and on that channel, 8 o'clock, Kapil Sharma is coming. So it's ingrained. They keep on telling you throughout the week. Then they say the Arnab Goswami show 9 o'clock on Republic TV. So you know the news channel is coming at 9 o'clock. So they tell you, they prep you so you're ready for listening to that person. Similarly, the first thing is you announce your show on all channels. Number 2, brand your show. Now, how do you brand your show? It could be the Ask Avi Arya show, my name. It could be my company, Internet Moguls. It could be my mission that I talk about, Micro Video Mastery. I want to make sure everybody uses videos to be able to reach out to people. Could be anything. Brand it, use it the same thing every day, use the same logo, and I'm going to give you in the links below. I'm going to give you some tools on how you can brand your own show, what are the softwares that are needed, and all of that. Now your show has started. How do you go about conducting a good show? What you can do is you can go live and you can say, today guys, we're going to take a challenge. So it's a 30-minute challenge, and in this challenge I'm going to take on 5 people who are going to create a video and show it to me live. And then I'm going to take your video and I'm going to tell people about it. Or you can say, I'm going to do a website challenge, which means that you show me your website, I'll tell you what's wrong with it, I'll tell you how to fix it. In 30 minutes, we'll try to fix something about your website. Or you could run a contest. For all those people who are watching me live, you stay till the very end, and I will give you a free book. But to stay till the very end, you need to answer 3 questions. What is the one thing that you learned from my live today? So what will happen is it will start getting you comments. People will with this contest and challenges, people will start commenting. When people start commenting, not only are they engaged and they want to work with you, they build a rapport, they build a relationship with you, but also it allows you to fire the jumpstart and fire up the algorithm. The algorithm of YouTube, Facebook, Instagram looks at the comments. Oh my God, this guy started a live show and he's already got comments coming in. The more comments you get, the more engaging it is, the more for the audience, and it fires up the algorithm. So make sure that you put in contests like that. The other thing I wanted to tell you was that you can do a lot of industry lives. You could say, this week I'm calling in people from the real estate industry. So as a digital marketer in Ask Avi Arya, I call industry specific, I do industry specific lives. So I'll call 4 people from the real estate industry and answer all their questions. And then so it becomes the real estate industry show. Some weeks I'll call somebody from the travel industry. Some weeks I'll call other digital marketers who want to learn from me. So, and I'll do a Q&A with them. They'll ask me questions, I'll introduce them and ask me questions, and back and forth. What happens with this is that then once the show is done and all these shows are done, I repurpose the content and I pick up mini Q&As and I put it on Instagram. I make extra content. I pick up the whole show and I put it on YouTube, and I say, for all realtors who say how to use videos to sell more apartments or villas, here's what it's done, because I've done all the lives with the realtors. How a travel agent can grow his business and get customers from overseas by using the MVM method. Or your questions answered. Look at how the industry responded to what we did, and I'll post it on YouTube for that. So a lot of repurposing happens. So there are lots of benefits by going live every day. The last thing that I like to do is, in the beginning I ask them for the comments. The last thing I like to do is I continuously ask them, what is the one thing that you've learned so far? And what would you like to share this feed? Because I'm not asking them to share my content. I ask them to put a nice paragraph of what they learned. And then I say, share this live feed. So if there are 100 people live, 100 people have shared it with thousands of their other friends. And they all get to see our conversation and see the brand. The other thing that I recommend, there are these tools. Now, what I like to do is, I like to do lives in multiple ways. Sometimes I give an ad on Facebook, or I'll email my database. Doesn't matter if you have 5, 15, 20 people, or you have a WhatsApp group or a WeChat group. Email them, WhatsApp them, say I'm going live this time to this time, remind them. And then when you go live, they come, give them a Zoom link or a Webinar Jam link. They come to your webinar for that live, and then you use a tool like Ecamm Live or StreamYard to be able to go live on multiple channels at the same time. So you're live on Zoom, Webinar Jam, YouTube, and Facebook Live. So people are seeing you everywhere. So if you have 30 people, even 30 people each, it adds up to 120 real people. Imagine getting 120 people to listen to your message. At the end, you want to sell a product or a service, or invite them for another webinar or whatever. All those things are amazingly possible. The other tool that I like to use is a tool called StreamYard, and I've been using it very regularly. StreamYard, what I like it allows me to brand beautifully my program. It looks like my own news channel, my own TV channel. I really like it. Apart from that, what StreamYard allows me to do is, it's me on one side of the screen and it's the guest on the other side. All I have to do is give a link to people who want to join that live stream. So somebody comes in, asks a question, and automatically when he goes, the other person gets in. So it's like a Q&A. People come and people go. It's a beautiful way of creating a show. People get engaged. And then, you know what? Since I started doing this, the amount of requests to go live with me on a show have shot up. So I give my existing students who've been working with me an opportunity to come live and promote their brand. Then they can talk about themselves and their hero story. So that helps your students feel important, which is very important, because you're in it for the business of business, and business of business happens when you take care of your clients. The other thing that happens, ladies and gentlemen, is that you yourself are able to create such an engaging platform of having different sets of people coming in for your show. So StreamYard is a tool that works very well. So for all of you people who are looking at Ecamm Live or StreamYard, I put in a link at the end of this webinar, wherever you're watching this. So you can click and just look at these two tools, try them out and see how they work for you. I have tried almost every tool to go live. And right now, I'm very happy with Ecamm Live. It allows me to go to multiple streams, and I use StreamYard to make my own show. Ladies and gentlemen, I am calling this the MVM Go Live strategy. If you go live, here are the few things that you keep in mind. Go live at the same time, same day, every day, or once a week, whatever you're doing. I would say go live every day, man. This is the best way to build your business. You go for meetings every day as well, right? Why can't you go live every day? But for all of you people, you still want to make it once a week. I'm not very happy, but because I like people to work hard and get the results faster. Anyway, so you do it once a week or once a day. Call it whatever your name is. Second step is to call it, give it a brand name, Ask Abhi Arya Show, or the MVM Micro Video Mastery Show, or whatever you want to call it. Brand it. When you get into the show, when you invite people, you can invite them and start with challenges and contests. In this show, initially, as soon as you start talking and tell people what they're going to learn in this, tell them about the chat, and then start with a challenge. There's going to be a challenge. All you need to do is listen to what I'm saying in the first 10 minutes, give us comments, and the people with the largest paragraph on what they've learned in this live, I'm going to, when you share it, I'm going to promote you or get you on the show or whatever. Have a contest at the end. The people with the best comments are going to get a book from us. So it allows more engagement. People stay till the very end, and it's a more engaging live that you're doing with your thing. How do you make it happen, Avi? You call industry colleagues and ask them to ask you questions and then you ask them question and it returns, it becomes a talk show, and then you've got one live for one industry, and the other live that you do the next day or next week is for another industry. The next thing I said was repurpose all of this. Take small Q&As and put it on Instagram and Facebook, and then tag it to say you like this, you want to know more, I'm doing my live one more next week. And then after that you can do an entire show, entire repurposing, and put the entire thing on YouTube. It becomes your own YouTube show. So just while you're talking to people, you've documented it and made it a YouTube show. So you've done two things with one. The tools I told you are Ecamm Live and StreamYard, and they're great tools. I've used them personally and I would highly recommend them. And just to let you know, I do get an incentive, commission, or whatever they call it, from all of these people when I recommend a tool, but I only recommend tools which I've used and they work very well for me. And make sure that your live is informative, it's engaging, you play games, you talk to people, you engage them. Now, what all can you do? Before I leave, what all can you do on a live? On a live, you can talk about your program, you can sell. I sell live. Selling on a webinar is also live, right? You can sell live, you can call people. I know people who sell sarees, Indian sarees worth $4,000-5,000 a day, going live for hours and hours and hours. There are people, so just look at it as a shopping channel. That is another way of going alive. You tell people about the products, take their questions, and then say, so now this price is 499 rupees, but in the next 10 minutes it's 399. The marker writes like this. Guys, MVM Live Commerce. I'm going to call it MVM Video Live Commerce. This is going to be the future. Mark the date of when this video was launched. And after 1 year, I promise you, everybody will be doing lives because people will be selling products on video live to their customers. Because today you don't want to meet a customer and it's too much travel, too much expense and all of that. Live will be the new commerce. MVM Live Commerce. Build your social media, build your life starting today. You will grow a brand. You will get, you'll be able to sell products and services. The last thing I want to say, I keep saying last thing, but I get more ideas as I've written down some points to let you know, many points before I start my YouTube video. I wanted to let you know one more thing. I have been able to get multiple consulting assignments from people around the world in my lives, because you know why? 20-30 people are asking you questions, and there are people who are sitting down and saying, I like the way this guy gives ideas. I like the way he answered the other person. I like his patience. I like his tenacity. I like the way he approached that question. I think he's a guy of knowledge. I think I can book a half-an-hour call with him, because at the end of every live, I'll say, please book a calendar link. Let's book a free 30-minute call. Let me see if I can help you. Make sure that my micro video mastery system can help your corporation or your individual small business or you as a professional. People book in those calls, and then when I put my lives on social media, on YouTube, they're sitting there for a while. Now, automatically, when people go to my YouTube channel and they see my live from before and seen me answering questions live and all of that, they get engaged and they too send me videos, consulting assignments. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I've told you, when clients come to you versus you going to clients, your entire game changes. That is the promise of MVM. Why I've been talking about videos for the last 2 years is because clients will come to you versus you going to clients, and that changes everything, because you don't have to travel if you don't want to. You spend that time with your family, with your hobbies or whatever, and you don't spend 4 or 5 years of your life in traffic. Make sure that you use the MVM Live formula correctly, properly. Go back, listen to this video once again, look at the show notes. Click on the link, get your Ecamm Live and StreamYard working, and come back in 1 week to this video and say, Avi, my first live show has launched, and tell me the name of your show. And I'll be more than happy when I hear that comment from you after 1 week. It doesn't take much time. All these tools are very easy to do. Just listen to this video again, look at the show notes, and create your first live. I'll be the happiest person after your mom once you go live and start selling your expertise to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new world. It's just a mindset shift. I hope you like it. And today's episode was less than 15 minutes. I hope you like it. Once again, this is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Mobiles. Signing off. Thank you very much. Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video allowed you to have a mind shift to know where you need to go in your journey as an entrepreneur. Now I'm adding a link over here. Please click on this link. I've got the description below as well. Copy this link, paste it in your browser, click, and in this Ask Avi, you're going to find an answer to where you want to go and why you're watching this video. Go ahead and spend your time over there. I'm giving you this link. Click on this link and go find your answer. Thank you very much for watching.